Hello friends, today I am going to explain how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Children, it is extension of profit and loss account. Extension of profit and loss account means first profit and loss account is prepared. Whatever net profit is earned, that net profit is distributed to partners. Profit and loss appropriation account, it is prepared only in case of partnership business. Okay, children, is that clear? First, profit and loss account is prepared. Whatever net profit is earned in profit and loss account, that is used to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, how profit is distributed? Let us see. It's very simple. Nothing. When company earn profit, partnership firm earn profit. Okay, so suppose partnership firm earned net profit of rupees 50,000. So it is recorded in credit side. Remember, it is prepared only in case of profit. Okay. There is one case when it is also prepared in case of loss, when interest on drawing is given. Only in that case. Otherwise, if interest on drawing is not given, profit and loss appropriation account is not prepared at the time of loss. It is prepared only at the time of profit. Remember, children. So suppose partnership firm has earned profit of rupees 50,000. Okay, interest on drawing also comes here in credit side. This is credit side, debit side. Okay, so by interest on drawing, I will take imaginary figure to explain all of you. Interest on drawing. Suppose there are two partners, X and Y, and interest on drawing is X 6,000 and Y 4,000. So in this way we need to write 6 plus 4, 10,000. We need to calculate according to the information which is given in the numerical, which you find. Okay, so all incomes are recorded in credit side. You remember, because it is extension of profit and loss account, so it is prepared according to profit and loss account. But expenses and income are recorded there only. We are only distributing here the profit. So that's why profit is recorded here, interest and drawing is added here, and then how this profit is distributed will record in debit side. Like whatever partner gets is recorded in debit side. First, what partner gets? Partner gets interest on capital. So suppose like we have taken, there are two partners, X and Y. So interest on capital, suppose, is 12,000 and 8,000. So we can write in outer column 20,000. Is that clear? Salary also comes here. Suppose only X is getting salary to X. If only X is getting salary, then only 10,000 we show to the X, we give to the X. If any partner is getting commission, then it will also come to commission to partner. Suppose we take example that only Y is getting commission, so we write here 10,000. An imaginary figure I have taken. Okay, and then whatever left is transferred to partner's capital account. So you can see, children, how much is left. You can see here in this question, out of this 60,000 total profit, if we subtract, how much we get? We get 20,000. So this is your gain. Okay, profit, which is transferred to partner's capital account. So profit transfer to partner's capital account, we write in this manner. Okay, X and Y, suppose they are divided in 1:1, equal ratio. So 20,000 is divided equally. So X will get 10,000 and Y will get 10,000. So a simple example how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. One thing, children, you need to note that profit can be appropriated Okay, profit can be appropriated. Okay, loss is not appropriated. Remember this point. Loss is not appropriated. Okay, and we can give interest on capital, salary, commission only up to profit. This is one more point which everybody must remember, because profit is available 60,000, so we can distribute only 60,000, not more than 60,000. If interest on capital and salary and commission in any case is more than 60,000, then it is not possible to give. We will give interest on capital, salary and commission only up to the profit which is available with us. I hope profit and loss appropriation account is clear to everyone. Yes, children. Thank you very much. Keep watching.